Okay, the title of these notes will be Finding a Whole Given a Part and a Percent. Make sure you have these in your math notebook. Include your name and your date. Here's the example. 12 of the students in the school choir like to sing solos. These 12 students make up 24% of the choir. How many students are in the choir? So we're going to use proportional reasoning with this. And we're going to first look at what information we have. So we have 12 students that make up 24%. So we know that these 12 students must be the part because they do not make up 100%. So we're going to use part over whole. And this is what you're going to use for basically any problem. Any percent problem equals percent over 100. Now this is part over whole equals percent over 100 is equivalent to saying is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, so now we're going to plug in some of the information. So let's use this. So percent, we have a percent sign here, we have a percent sign here. So I know that percent is just a fraction, and it is expressed as 24 over 100 equals, now I'm looking for the part or the whole, and we said we have the part because we're looking for the whole. It says how many students are in the choir. That's the whole. We don't know that. So the part is 12. I'm going to put that in the part section, and I'm looking for this answer. So remember, this is the part, and we're looking for the whole. And we have the percent, which is the same thing as a part and a whole, but you always put the percent over 100. So now we can use proportional reasoning, and then we can see that 12 times 2 gives us 24. So we have to find something times 2 to give us 100, or 100 divided by 2 will give us an answer. So we know that 12, and we know that the whole must be 50, and that is 24 out of 100. So we can check our work. Times 2 times 2. So we know that there are 50 students in the choir. Now you also may see a question just written this way. 6 is 30% of what number? So once again, we're looking for the of. The of is what we don't know. So if we use our percent 100 is over of, we can start plugging in what we know and what we don't know. We have a percent sign, so we know that's going to be written as 30 over 100 equals, we're looking for the of, which is down here. We don't know that. We have the is, which is this. So now we can use proportional reasoning. 6 times what is 30. And then here is what times 5 is 100, or we can say 100 divided by 5 is going to be our answer. So we know that 6 is 30% of, and our answer is going to be 20. So we can check our work. This works. Have to do the same to have it proportional. So our answer is 20.